folks, Eric at Redline Injectors again. Today we're going to talk about reverse cleaning, specifically our power flush. So traditionally when you clean the injectors, you power them up, pulse them in the ultrasonic cleaner, and that cleans the tips. The fluid is typically heated. Doesn't really get inside. You attempt to put a little dropper, but at the end of the day, it's really good at cleaning the tips and the carbon at the tips and perhaps around the pintle. The issue is stuff can be inside the injector. There can be plaque, there can be lacquer built up from the ethanol. There's any number of things inside the injector. So what we do is we actually created the power flush, and here are some fixtures. This is a GDI, this one happens to be for Optimax. But in essence, what we do is we put the injectors in here in reverse. We power it up, run the electronics, power the injectors, and flush in reverse any contaminants back out the bottom. And we do that anywhere from 5 to 10 minutes. One other item of note when we're talking about injectors, these are our cups for E-TEC. So we actually reverse flush the E-TEC injectors on here as well.